Hello everyone, we are Tiara and Rizky. This is our task 3 for English subject. In this video, we are going to perform a conversation about traveling experience in Jakarta. We hope you enjoy our conversation. Thank you.
Hey Tiara, welcome back. I heard you just spent 2 weeks in Jakarta. How did you like the city overall?
Oh, Rizky, honestly, it was such an eye-opening experience. Jakarta is unlike any city I've ever been to. The moment I landed, I could feel this enormous energy, like the whole city never stopped moving.
That sounds intense. Was it overwhelming at first?
A little bit, yes. The size of the city is hard to wrap your head around at first. It's enormous, over 10 million people, but after a day or two, I started to find my rhythm and really enjoy it.
What was your very first impression when you stepped outside the airport?
The head hit me immediately. It was hot and very humid, and the skyline, I could see so many skyscrapers stretching into the distance. It looked like a skin straight out a movie. I remember thinking, wow, this place is alive.
I've always been curious about the food there. What do you try? What is good?
Oh, don't even get me started on the food. It was absolutely incredible. I tried nasi goreng, soto ayam, rendang, and so many street foods. I can't even remember all the names. Every meal felt like a new discovery.
Were the price expensive? I always imagine big cities being really pricey.
That's what surprised me too much. The street food is incredible affordable. I had a full meal for less than $1 sometimes. Even mid-range restaurants were very reasonably priced compared to back home. It was great value for money.
What about the culture? Did you feel like an outsider, or were you able to connect with the locals?
I was honestly worried about that before going, but the locals were so warm and open. They were genuinely curious about where I came from and very patient when I struggled with the language. I even pick up a few words in Bahasa Indonesia. They love it that.
Huh? That's sweet. Did you visit any cultural spot or landmark?
Yes, I went to the National Monument. Locals call it Monas and visit Kota Tua, the old colonial district. Walking through those old buildings while surrounded by such a modern city was a really unique contrast. I also visited the National Museum, which was fascinating.
It sounds like you had a wonderful time, but certainly not everything was perfect, right? What were some of the downsides? Downsides?
Oh, definitely. The traffic was probably my biggest frustration. I'm talking bumper to bumper gridlock that, that could last for hours. One day it took me nearly 2 hours to travel just 8 kilometers. I couldn't believe it.
That sounds like a real headache. How did you manage it?
I started using motorcycles taxis called Ojek through a ride-hailing app. They weave through the traffic and are much faster. It took a little courage the first time, but once I got used to it, it was actually kind of thrilling.
Huh? That's brave. Were there any others challenge your face?
The heat and humidity were tough to deal with at times. Uh, I had to carry water everywhere and reapply sunscreen constantly, and some areas of the city were quite polluted. You could really feel it in the air, but I think that's common in most megacities around the world.
Interesting. How would you compare Jakarta to other cities you visit? Say, Singapore or Bangkok?
That's a great question. Singapore is incredible, clean and organized, almost too perfect, if that makes sense. Bangkok is chaotic but charming. Jakarta is somehow in bandwidth, but with its own unique character. It feels more raw, more authentic, less polished, but full of soul.
That's a beautiful way to describe it. Did it change the way you see series in general?
Absolutely. It reminded me that a city's imperfection are often what make it interesting. The chaos, the noise, the crowded markets, those are the things that stay with you. It made appreciate the beauty in things that aren't perfectly organized.
You've really sold me on it. I'm seriously considering going. What advice would you give someone visiting for the first time?
First, download to Gojek or Grab before you arrive. You'll use them constantly. Second, don't plan too many things in one day because of the traffic. Third, step out of the touristy areas and explore local neighborhoods like Kemang or Menteng. That's where you'll find the real Jakarta.
Any must-try food recommendation?
Yes, go to a warung, which is a small local eatery, and order nasi padang. It's a spread of different dishes served with rice, and it's absolutely delicious. Also, try martabak for dessert. It's a thick stuffed pancake, and it's to die for.
I'm already hungry just listening to you. Last question. If you could go back tomorrow, will you?
In a hit, but there's still so much I didn't see or experience. Jakarta is one of those cities that reveals something new every single day. I like feeling like I did online search the surface, and that makes us we want to go back even more.
That's the best kind of travel experience. You've convinced me. I'm booking my ticket this weekend. Thanks for sharing all of this, Tiara.
You're going to have an amazing time, I promise. And when you get back, you'll have to tell me all about your own experience. Maybe we can compare notes.
It's a deal. I hold you to that.